There are 20 million people within an hour of where I'm standing right now on Columbia's campus.
The city of New York is really the charm.
We have the largest economy in the United States, and the U.S. has the largest economy in the world.
It's so diverse, it's so dynamic.
So if you're looking for professional opportunity, this is the place to come.
Right now, this is Climate Week. We're in New York, and we're going and hearing from leaders, and that has been really inspiring.
Also, it's the United Nations High-Level Week for UN General Assembly, so all the world leaders are also here in New York.
I wanted to have a life in New York and learn from this super interculturally diverse, alive place. And that's why I chose New York, why I chose Columbia.
It's just a very strong support system that you have at the program, not only with your classmates, but also with the faculty, the broader Columbia community.
Everyone is super open to mentoring. They're here to support us, not just for whatever they're teaching us, but throughout our journey in this field.
We do have a lot of alumni working at the UN, the World Bank, the World Resources Institutes, the Nature Conservancy.
To this day, I still rely on the Columbia Alumni Network.
If you're studying environment and sustainability in New York City, you're going to get connected into a world of employment opportunities that's just sitting right here.
This program transforms your passion into a career, transforms your passion into a profession. And that's exactly what I was looking for.